Hi everyone, this is Prashad Parthiban. Today I am going to explain the differences between class rating versus specific rating. So every time when there is a customer asking for insurance policies, it can be personal lines or commercial lines, the insurance companies does rating majorly through two different ways. One is class rating, the other one is specific rating. Let's look at what are the differences and how they work. To start with, what is class rating? As per the definition, it's a pricing method where insurance company group risk into classes, as the name says, based on similar characteristics. Either type of business is same, construction type is same, or location. Basically, as I told you, if there is an insurance company that handles hundreds and hundreds of customers, they group the customers based on their unique attributes. As I told you, sometimes the business may be same and they are low risk customers. So in that case, ISO or this industry bodies have standard rates for those kind of customers, right? Then we use class rating. As I told you, it's a class where you group similar risk into one class and then rate them with one rate based on the ISO recommendations, right? Whereas specific rating is customized rating used when the risks are too unique. Because if say there is a trucking company which is unique and it has a lot of fuel or high risk products, right? Then there will not be available rates for those unique risk. Then we use specific rating, meaning we take each risk, each customer separately and rate them based on their underwriter justification, right? And that is what we call them as specific rating. So class rating is you group similar customers into one class and then rate them based on the standard rate based on ISOs. Whereas specific rating, where ISO kind of industry bodies, they don't have rates because the kind of customers that they have are unique. In that case, we do specific rating where we rate each and every customer separately based on their individual characteristics. For example, if you take a flower shop with say 2 delivery vans, right? This is a standard business because delivery vans are not going to be high risky. Say standard cargo vans, drivers having clean records and they are always going to drive under less than 20,000 miles per year, right? So what insurance companies will do, they will get rates from ISO based on these characteristics and group all the customers that fall under this category into one class, and that's what we call them as class rating. Comparatively, say you have a trucking company that delivers hazardous materials, maybe fuels, chemicals, etc., right? Sometimes the industry bodies or the insurance company may not have rates for those kind of unique business. In that case, they do specific rating. That's what they say. Heavy duty truck with specialized vans, high risk cargo is nothing but the item that is going into the truck, and long haul routes, sometimes it can go across the country's trucks, right? They can go travel for 1 year, 6 months or sometimes 3 months. So those are the unique risks. Sometimes that case we use specific rating. In short, as I told you, class rating is where you group the kind of similar customers based on their unique attributes like location, type of business, and then for that particular class you will have rate and you will rate it. Whereas specific rating is unique to each customer, where you have a unique rate for each customer based on their unique attributes. Thank you once again for your continuous support. Have a great day. Bye-bye.